Factoring Trinomials by Denise and Virdiana. Introduction. This lesson is about how to factor. Basically, you get the answer to a question, but the trick is you have to find the question. Pretty weird, right? Your whole life you were used to finding the answer for the question. This is why this lesson is rather interesting. By the way, this is my favorite lesson out of algebra. I don't know why, but I just liked solving the question for the answers. So, okay, continued. It's continued. How to factor, continued. Say we had a problem like x squared minus 9x plus 20. The first step would be we are trying to get the equation to this answer. We know that x squared, you have to multiply x and x. Under the equation, put two pairs of parentheses like this and put the x's in each one. These space because we are not finished with the equation. So in our example, we have our equation. Under that equation, you put two pairs of parentheses. You put x on the left side and leave space because we are not finished. Find the signs and the factors for this answer. Okay, step 4 continues on the next slide. How to factor continue. Find the factors of 20. List the factors. Example. So here is our equation, here's our parentheses, and here's our factors. You can list the factors on the side, on the top, on the bottom, or wherever. Personally, I like to list them on the right side, but the factors are 1 and 20, 2 and 10, and 4 and 5. Step 3. Examine the factors of 20. Which of the factors add or subtracted to 9? Well, the factors 4 and 5 add to 9. Then put the numbers into the equation. So here are the parentheses, and here are the numbers 4 and 5. Leave a space in between because we're not finished with the finding the signs. Step 4. What signs would make negative 9x and positive 20? The signs would have to be negative because negative 4 minus 5 equals negative 9, and negative 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. Where the spaces are in the parentheses, put the signs before the number. So for example, there's here's x squared, here's minus 9x, and here's plus 20. Here's our parentheses, and here's x minus 4 and x minus 5. If you were to solve this, it should equal this. And that's how you do factoring. To check your answer, solve the question. It should equal the answer. So you would solve this and to get this, and then if you solved this and it equaled this, then you did it right. If you didn't, then it equaled wrong. But that's basically it, see? Okay. Thank you for watching our slideshow on how to factor. We hope you learned or at least got better on factoring trinomials. Thank you and goodbye.